Sri Virabhadra Swami's name, chanting. The discussion focuses on the most potent spiritual practice in Sanatana Dharma, particularly in the Kali Yuga, which serves as a powerful defense against suffering for devotees. In this age, Kali Yuga, Nama Sankirtana, chanting the divine name, is described in the Dharma Shastras as the greatest gift from the Supreme Lord to humans, who may not be able to perform difficult yagnas, rigorous penances, or observe complex vows. Simply reciting the Lord's name with devotion is sufficient to eliminate all sins and sufferings. Among such glorious names, chanting the name of Sri Virabhadra, the fierce manifestation of Mahashiva, holds exceptional importance. 1. Core benefit: instant protection. Virabhadra is the supreme commander of Shiva's ganas and the embodiment of Mahadeva's power. Primary benefit: the main reward of this practice is immediate and complete protection from evil forces, misfortunes, arishtas, and enemies. A shield when confronting unexpected obstacles, black magic, Shudra Prayogas, nightmares, or harassment from foes. Remembering Virabhadra acts as a protective shield. He grants his devotees instant relief from troubles. 2. Mental and spiritual benefits. This practice safeguards the devotee not only from external enemies but also from internal fears. Courage. Internal adversaries like fear and cowardice are entirely eliminated. Chanting the name grants immense courage and self-confidence, providing the strength needed to stand firm in life's struggles. Spiritual progress. Since Virabhadra is a part of Shiva and Amsha, this recitation guides the devotee toward the Shiva principle, Shivatvam. It removes the bonds of karma, ultimately contributing to the attainment of moksha, liberation. 3. Material and worldly benefits. Physical strength. Regular practice contributes to good health and the growth of physical strength and vitality, Dahika Balam. Ailments are minimized. Success. Chanting Virabhadra's name is an excellent method to uphold dharma during challenging times, ensuring justice and success in all endeavors. Conclusion. For devotees, worshipping Virabhadra means acquiring an extremely powerful protective armor to overcome the dreadful sufferings of existence and to champion dharma. Therefore, one should recite the name of Virabhadra constantly and proceed with courage, both in the material and spiritual realms. So why the delay? Hurry and join our family. Learn many new things for free.